Hi guys, today's recipe is for all of my vegetarian fans out there, and this recipe will prove you that even the simplest recipes can be full of flavor. One of the things I love the most about this recipe is that everything is ready in less than 20 minutes. You will end up with one perfect looking weeknight meal for your family and friends in just a few simple steps. So let me show you how to make it. In a frying pan, add olive oil and finely chopped spring onions. Fry up the onions for several minutes and add freshly chopped green pepper. Cook for a few more minutes and add in the mushrooms thinly sliced. Season with Dijon mustard, dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Cook until all of the ingredients are tender and cooked through. It will take about 10 minutes. Add in cherry tomatoes sliced in half. Meanwhile, bring some water and salt to a boil and add in pasta shells. Cook them al dente and drain them immediately. In a pan, add in sour cream and stir until you have thick sauce. Pour in the white wine. Remember that you can always have a glass of wine while you are cooking. And also add the grated cheese into the sauce. Stir well until combined and let all of the flavors to marry. It will take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. In the same pan, add in drained pasta shells and stir everything together until fully combined. Season with freshly chopped parsley and add in the olives. Stir until everything combined and serve in your favorite serving platter. Garnish with a little bit of fresh parsley and a drizzle of olive oil. Everyone would love a recipe like this. The reason why I'm using pasta shells is very simple. All of that creamy and delicious sauce will stick to every single pasta shell. This will result in maximum pleasure for all of your taste buds. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.